How to fix Abyssus crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to your library, then right click on the game, go to properties, and under launch options you want to type -dx11 like this. Then you want to go to the installed files tab, click on browse, find the game's exe file, right click on it, and then go to properties, compatibility tab. Make sure to check disable full screen optimizations and run this program as admin. Click on OK. Now close the folder and click on verify integrity of game files and wait for this process to finish verifying and repairing your files. Now once this is done, you can close this window and then open up your GPU application where you can get updates. So for NVIDIA, it's obviously NVIDIA app. Then you want to click on the check for updates button here and make sure to download and install the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. Now after installing it, you should be asked to restart your computer, and after doing so you should simply restart Steam as administrator by right clicking on Steam and click on run as administrator, and then simply just launch the game again and it should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.